Hello everyone, my name is Steph. Today the review is going to be the brand Jeecoo and the model is going to be M20. I received this item to do a review on it. So let's do it. Okay, you can see the box on front. You can see those speaker on the side, some specification on the other side too, and in the back they show you some specification. Let's open it. Let's see exactly what we have inside. Okay, it will be coming like that. Et voilà. And this is working with a USB cable and Bluetooth. The output of those speakers, they only 5 watt, so don't expect to have sound like I don't know, like a lot of bass and a lot of treble. No, forget it. This is good for podcasts if you're doing some Skype, and a little bit of gaming, but with not bass. So that's going to be perfect. Or if you want FaceTiming. When you put it like that, the size of the link, it's going to be 15.5 long. Let me show you. Et voila. And the weight is going to be 640 grams. When it's time to turn on, you need to press the volume, press for 3 seconds. So when you press on it, it's double click for USB to Bluetooth, and when it's time to change the color, only 1 click. Et voila, like that. You press only 1 time. And the volume, the knob, going up, you turn, that's going to be down, going up, it's going to be turned on the other side. And let's put it stereo like that. Very nice. They're lightweight. You can put it inside your bag if you want. It's not really heavy and they're not bad. So let's turn it on. Give me a sec. I'll put it on the other side. Et voila.
USB mode.
And now it's a USB mode. You can see the light. And et voila. Yeah, blue, red. Let's put it 1, 2, 3. Turn off. Press again. 1, 2, 3.
USB mode.
Et voila. Let's do a double click.
Bluetooth mode.
Et voila. Let's do it again. 2 times.
USB mode.
Et voila. So that's easy. It's friendly easy. It's not really complicated. It's really friendly. So like I tell you, don't expect to have a lot of bass, but let's do a test. Let's put it something dense here. The sound is not bad. It's good. And don't forget, this is only 2-inch speaker and only 5 watts, so don't expect to have something at $500. For the size, still not bad. Okay, I think that's enough for now. I hope you like this video about those RGB light speaker. If you like it, don't forget to thumbs up. And like always, don't forget to subscribe. And if you want, you can always leave a comment down there. I really appreciate it. And see you in another one.